Hello friends, today General Agriculture part 6 video. Okay, if you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. Coming to the questions, 10 questions regarding paddy. First question is, what is the chromosome number of rice? What is the chromosome number of rice or paddy? Second question, the main protein of rice is, the major protein present in rice is. Okay. Third question, how many liters of water require to produce 1 kg of rice? That is, how many liters of water required to produce 1 kg of rice? Fourth question, the mode of pollination in rice. What is the mode of pollination in rice? Self or cross or offent, like that. Then fifth question, what is a fruit type in rice? What is a fruit type in rice? Sixth question, rice is short or long day plant. Okay, this is important and frequently asked question. Seventh question, rice stem is commonly known as. What is the common name for rice stem? Okay. Eighth question, the semi-dwarfing gene in rice is. Okay, what is the semi-dwarfing gene in rice? Ninth question, miracle rice in India is. Which is known as miracle rice in India? 10th question, white eye of rice is due to which deficiency? White eye of rice is due to which deficiency? Write down the answers for these 10 questions soon. I think you all following. Let's go for the answers. First question answer is, what is the chromosome number of rice is? 2n is equal to 24. Okay. Second question, the major or main protein of rice is ricin. Okay. Third question, how many liters of water required to produce 1 kg of rice? Means 5000 liters. Okay. Fourth question, the mode of pollination in rice is self-pollination. Fifth question, fruit type in rice is caryopsis. Sixth question, rice is a short day plant. Seventh question, rice stem is commonly known as culm or culm. Eighth question, the semi-dwarfing gene in rice is degenogene. Ninth question, miracle rice in India. India is Jaya. 10th question, white eye of rice is due to iron deficiency. Okay. Next subject is soil science. The first question is, canker nodules are mostly found in which soil? Which type of soil? Okay. Second question, soils having more than 20% organic matter is known as. Soils having more than 20% organic matter is known as. Third question, the process of mixing of soils is known as. What is the process of mixing of soils? Okay. Fourth question, formula for baking soda. Write the formula for baking soda. Fifth question, write the formula for caustic soda. Okay. Go through these 5 questions and answer soon. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. Coming to the answer, canker nodules are mostly found in red soils. Okay. Soils having more than 20% organic matter is known as organic soils. The process of mixing of soils is known as pedoturbation. Okay. Next, formula for baking soda is NaHCO3. Formula for caustic soda is NaOH. Okay. Sometimes questions will be asked from formulas too. Next, coming to horticulture. From fruit type, sure one question will be asked in any examinations. So you must be clear in that. First question, the fruit type of pomegranate. What is the fruit type of pomegranate? Second question, what is the fruit type of citrus? What is the fruit type of citrus? Third question, what is the fruit type of fig? Fourth question, what is the fruit type of apple? What is the fruit type of apple? And last fifth question, what is the fruit type of carrot? Okay, go through these 5 questions. Write down the fruit type for pomegranate, citrus, fig. Okay, let me go for answers. First question answer, the fruit type of pomegranate is Balasca. Second question, the fruit type of citrus is Hesperidium. Okay, the fruit type of fig is Cyconus. Fruit type of apple is Pome. The fruit type of carrot is Schizocarp. Okay, these are some important questions. Next, coming to entomology. 5 questions in entomology. First question, the word entomology is Latin or Greek word. Okay. Second question, the body wall of insect is otherwise known as what? Next, third question, the outermost layer of integument is known as what? Fourth question, the main structural protein of insects are known as. Okay. Fifth question, the elastic protein responsible for flexibility of wing sclerites. Okay. What is the elastic protein responsible for flexibility of wing sclerites? These are 5 questions. Please answer soon. Write down the answers for these 5 questions. Read it one time. If you didn't watch previous videos, please watch last 5 videos for general agriculture. Okay. Coming to the answer, the word entomology is Greek word. Okay. If the word ends by y means it's mostly Greek word only. Okay. Entomon is insects, logos is discourse. The body wall of insect is known as integument. Third question, the outermost layer of integument is known as cuticle. Okay, outermost layer is cuticle. Fourth question, the main structural proteins of insect is known as orthopodin. Okay. Fifth question, the elastic protein responsible for flexibility of wing sclerites is ricillin. Okay, ricillin. Okay friends, day by day I will increase the standard of the questions. If you didn't subscribe our channel, click the subscribe button. Please share the video with your friends, and Telegram channel link is in description box. You can follow in Telegram channel. Thank you. Study well. All the best. Share. Subscribe.